You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 99, adding resolution. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. As you can see, I am logged in using my primary account. And now we'll click on this 4 blocks which is next to home, and then we'll click on Jira Service Management. On top right corner, we'll click on the setting, which is setting icon. Click on settings, and then we are going to click under Jira Admin settings. We'll click on work items. We'll scroll down. This is work type page. In left panel, we'll scroll down under work item attributes. Under work item attributes, we'll click on resolutions. Click on resolutions. Okay. Now on view resolution page, we'll scroll down and we'll add new resolution. We'll give the name as reject. Name reject, and we'll give the description as the work type is rejected. And then we are going to click on add. Ensure that new resolution is visible. The one that we have created, it is rejected. It is showing as reject. Okay. So now let's move ahead and perform next task of this lab. On view resolution, we see reject, and under action, side reject, under action, if you see over here, under action, we'll click on edit. In reject resolution, in edit resolution reject, we will update the description, and we'll name it as this is demo resolution, and then we'll click on update. And now if you see, the description for this new resolution is updated. Let's move ahead and perform next task in this lab. The next task is to delete resolution. Again, we'll look for that new resolution that we have created, which is reject. Under action, we are going to click on delete, and then we are going to click on delete again, and we'll ensure that the new resolution that we have created and edited, it is deleted now. With this, we have completed lab number 99. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.